How to save Snapchat photos to gallery. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we're going to be learning how we can save Snapchat photos to gallery. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to save Snapchat photos to gallery, maybe whenever you take a snap, instead of saving them manually, right? Now, normally you can save them manually just by selecting it and tapping on this save icon from the bottom left of the screen. But in some cases, you might forget. So we can enable an automatic setting for this. For this, what we're gonna do is tap on the Bitmoji avatar from the top left to come to our profile page. Then tap on the gear icon, which is located at the top right-hand side of the screen over here. And when we've done that, we'll see various options under which we can scroll down and look for the option called Memories and tap on it. And then from Memories, you can say Smart Backup, turn this on. Go to Save button and select Camera Roll. Or if you want to save on your camera roll, which is a gallery, or memories, select Memories and Camera Roll, which is a safer option. And you can also turn on auto save. So if you don't turn on auto save, they won't be auto saved. So you want to make sure that you have enabled auto save to save them to your gallery. So this way you can actually save Snapchat photos or memories to your gallery itself. Hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.